Have you ever tasted a beef stew that's bursting with the rich flavor of garlic? No? Then you are in the right place. In this video, I will show you how to make garlic beef stew, a rich, savory and comforting dish. Additionally, this recipe is perfect for beginners as it involves simple ingredients, a few steps, and success is guaranteed. For this recipe, beef neck is a great option. Cut the meat into smaller cubes, including all the fat and connective tissue. This will give the dish a strong, rich flavor. Spread the sliced meat on the cutting board. 1 teaspoon of salt, half of a teaspoon of pepper, 6 crushed cloves of garlic. Rub all the salt, pepper and garlic into the meat. After rubbing in all the seasoning, spread the meat out on the cutting board again. Dust the meat with 1 tablespoon of plain flour. Carefully coat the meat in flour and set it aside. Finely chop 2 medium onions. If you like this video, please subscribe and leave a comment. Put a large tablespoon of pork fat in an oven-safe pot. Pork fat will give an extra dimension of flavor. When the fat is half melted, add a finely chopped onion. Roast the onion until golden brown. Your onions have turned golden, so add the seasoned beef. Since the meat weighs 800 grams, you will need to roast it in 2 batches. When you have the first batch of meat browned, move it to one side and add the remaining beef to the space. Add 500 ml of beef broth. Stir the meat so that it is submerged as much as possible. Cover the pot and place it in the oven at 180 Celsius for 40 minutes. Stir the meat and continue baking uncovered for an additional 30 minutes. The meat should be falling apart. If not, continue with baking. Garlic beef stew served with potato dumplings and spinach or mashed potatoes. If you have made it this far, please let me know in the comments what you think I can do to improve my videos. Don't forget that there are more videos on my channel, so be sure to check them. Thank you for watching. See you next time.